this right here is a review on the OutIn Nano portable electric espresso machine. This one's actually great for traveling or if you're in a hurry and hadn't had a chance to set up your coffee maker. So this one is the OutIn. It's something that you just literally just put water on the top, and I just made a coffee here, iced coffee. One of the things that I like is because I could just make that shot, put it on ice, and ready to go. This is where the water goes in, and you have different levels, whether it's 50 millimeters, 70 millimeters, and you also have a max level that you want to go ahead and fill this into. I actually use the cup that you use on the bottom to pour water in, and once you have the water in, now you're going to have different attachments on the bottom, whether you're going to be using ground coffee or you're going to be using one of these cups. This is the shape that you want to go ahead and be looking for. Very tiny, and they go like this on the adapter. I'll go ahead and take it apart just to show you guys what it looks like. And it will puncture 3 holes on the top, and then on the bottom it will go ahead and open it up like squares, so it can go ahead and just put the hot water first, throw it through the cup, and then put it to this little cup or wherever you're going to go ahead and put that shot of espresso. The same thing with the adapter with the ground coffee. So this part we'll go ahead and unscrew from this part right here, and this is where we have our adapter, where we have that cup. As you can see, it will go ahead and open up like little squares that you can go ahead and see through here. This is where the water is going to go ahead and shoot through, and then these are the holes, the 3 holes that it has make on the cup. And just to show you guys, this is what it looks like after. It's a little bit hot because I just made the coffee, but this is basically it. You also have an adapter, like I said, to put your own ground coffee, which is very, very cool. And now I fully charged this, and I think this right here is gonna be the 3rd time that I use it. And if you press it once, we're currently at half a charge, so I believe I still have 6 more times. And you also have instructions of how to turn it on. Once you pour the water, you know, put the cap right on the top, which just goes like this, and then you put your cup, which you really want to go ahead and tighten, or your ground coffee. Then you can go ahead and hold this for 2 seconds, and it will go ahead and start blinking and start making that coffee, which is very, very cool. And you can also stop it. I think if you press once, it will go ahead and stop in case, you know, you're moving places, you have it in your car, you want to go ahead and make sure it's in a secure place before it starts pouring that hot coffee. Then you can go ahead and stop it, but it probably takes no longer than, I want to say, 5 minutes to pour it. And then you can use that cup right here just to cover it, so when it's pouring the coffee and you have it like in your cup holder, you can go ahead and pour the coffee in, and you don't have to be worrying about spilling it. And then you can go ahead and just set up your, either drink it like that if you like it like that, or just make it ice just like I do. But overall, this is a really great buy. And oh, actually, I forgot to show you guys, right on the back you have your charging port, which is your USB-C. It does have a cover, so if you do put water on the top and you spill it over, don't worry about it, because you do have some waterproofing here. You're not going to go ahead and damage it. But those are the reasons why I would recommend.